Welcome, nutritionradio.org listeners. This is Lonnie Lowery, a university nutrition professor of over 20 years, senior scientist, and podcast host of long-running shows like Iron Radio. This is its sister show, in fact, where you'll get condensed 10-minute topics alliteratively linked to the day of the week, so you can subscribe and tune in only for the daily subjects that interest you. We have Monday, market news from the food world, Tuesday, trends in science, Wednesday, weight management tips, Thinking Thursday, if you like lecture time, and Fitness Fridays. The specific content will vary according to news that comes across my desk. Come on in.